Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I'm showing you how to make the best avocado toast ever. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or anytime you need a quick healthy bite. Trust me, this is gonna be delicious. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is super easy to follow. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, a couple slices of your favorite bread, some olive oil, lemon juice, salt, pepper, a pinch of red chili flakes, and whatever toppings you love. Think cherry tomatoes, radishes, microgreens, or even a poached egg. Simple, right? These ingredients are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Alright, let's get to it. Toast your bread until it's golden and crispy. I like to use sourdough because it has that perfect crunch and tangy flavor. While that's toasting, let's prep the avocado. Cut it in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Make sure your avocado is ripe for the best texture and flavor. Mash it up with a fork until it's nice and creamy. You can leave it a bit chunky if you prefer more texture. Now here's the secret to taking your avocado toast to the next level. Add a splash of lemon juice. This not only keeps the avocado from browning but also gives a fresh, zesty kick. The acidity balances the richness of the avocado perfectly. Throw in a drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a crack of black pepper. Mix it all together and you've got yourself a flavorful avocado spread. The olive oil adds a silky texture, and the seasoning enhances the natural flavors. Once your toast is ready, it's time to assemble. Spread a generous amount of the avocado mixture onto each slice. Make sure you cover the whole surface for maximum deliciousness. Now let's get creative with the toppings. This is where you can really make it your own. I love adding halved cherry tomatoes for a burst of sweetness and color. Radish slices add a nice crunch and peppery bite. They also bring a beautiful contrast in texture. Microgreens are great for a touch of earthiness. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals, and if you're feeling extra fancy, top it all off with a perfectly poached egg. The runny yolk adds a rich, creamy texture that's just unbeatable. It's like the cherry on top of a sundae. Lastly, sprinkle on some red chili flakes for a bit of heat, and a final drizzle of olive oil. This adds a nice kick and a glossy finish. And there you have it, the ultimate avocado toast. It's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. Take a moment to admire your creation before diving in. You've earned it. Snap a quick pic for Instagram because you know this toast is going to be a hit. Share it with your friends and family and let them know how easy it is to make. And that's it. Easy, delicious, and healthy. Perfect for any time of the day. Whether it's a quick breakfast, a light lunch, or a snack, this avocado toast has got you covered. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my latest recipes. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking, everyone. Enjoy your avocado toast and have a wonderful day.